हेलो एवरीवन। सो आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। एंड आज मैं फिर आ गई हूँ एक नई वीडियो लेकर और इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे विटामिन्स एंड न्यूट्रिशन। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। आप हर एक एग्ज़ाम में इसमें से एक या दो क्वेश्चन तो श्योर शॉर्ट आते ही आते हैं। ओके, सो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन से। ओके, ये ऑप्शन भी दिख जाता है। Which of the following food will provide the nutrient for the growth of a new tissue in the human body? तो कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट इज़ वेरी गुड और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ न्यू टिश्यू, जो टिश्यूज़ की ग्रोथ के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होता है? इज़ इट फ्रूट, वेजिटेबल, चीज़ और स्वीट? So the answer is cheese. Why? Because cheese is very good in protein. So protein is a building block of the cell, right? You need protein so that new cell can form. So cheese में क्या होता है? Protein. So the protein are the major component of the human body and are more important for the growth and the repair of tissue, right? So for growth and repair, you need protein, and its main source of proteins are soybean, pulses, groundnut, milk, cheese, egg, food, grains, and so many other food. But जो बहुत ही they are rich in protein is the pulses, soybean, and of course cheese. Okay, second question. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Second question. Consider the following statement about probiotic food. So the probiotic food contain live bacteria which are considered beneficial to human. Probiotic food help in maintaining gut flora. So the options are only one is correct, two is correct, both are correct, or neither one nor two is correct. सो आप प्रोबायोटिक ड्रिंक के बारे में सुना होगा, याकुल. याकुल इज अ प्रोबायोटिक ड्रिंक, राइट? सो याकुल कंटेन गुड बैक्टीरिया that help in your gut, I mean the digestion process. So the option is C is the correct answer. ये इसकी explanation है. Our intestine are home of 500 billion bacteria, some good bacteria, some bad bacteria. Researcher suggested that the more good bacteria in your gut, the stronger your immune system will be. Probiotic are often referred to as a good bacteria, and they help the body to absorb important nutrients, and nutrient means vitamins and minerals including calcium, iron, chromium, vitamin A, B, D, right? Just a name few. So these probiotic food into our eating routine can enhance and improve the gut flora to boost our intestine and overall health. Next question. Uh, न्यूट्रा न्यूट्रा क्यू ओ माय गॉड, कभी कभी ये नाम इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाते हैं. सो न्यूट्रा एस्यूटिकल्स आर product which have nutrient, vitamin and mineral, nutrient, protein and fatty acid, nutrient and toxic effect, nutrient and medical effect. So the nutraceuticals are product of, ये nutraceuticals किस किस से बनते हैं? They what do you think? क्या correct option होगा? The correct option is D. It is basically nutrient and medical effect. So the term nutria Eutical is used to describe any food or part of a food supplement that offer a medical or health benefit beyond simple nutrition. Such benefit may include the prevention or reoccurrence of disease. Okay, next question. Funk invented. So the funk invented, उन्होंने क्या इन्वेंशन करी थी? विटामिन्स की, हॉर्मोन्स की, प्रोटीन की, कि एंजाइम की? यस, जल्दी बताइए आपका क्या आंसर होगा. जिसने भी राइट आंसर दिया है ए, वो उन सबका आंसर करेक्ट है. सो द फंक इन्वेंटेड द टर्म, और द फंक इन्वेंटेड प्रोटीन्स. Okay, so the funk is generally credited with bring among the first to formulated the concept of vitamin, which he called vital amine or vitamin. Okay, so he also described there are water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Now vitamins are organic compound, inorganic compound, living organism, or none of the above. So the vitamins are basically the organic compound. So the vitamins are organic compound and vital nutrient that an organism required in limited amount. An organic chemical compound is called vitamin when the organism cannot synthesize the compound in sufficient quantity, must be obtained through the diet. Means जब आप विटामिन्स को इनफ क्वांटिटी में नहीं ले पाते हैं देन और आपकी बॉडी नहीं बना पाती है विटामिन्स, यू हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम द डाइट. Okay, some are essential vitamins, some are non-essential vitamins. Now, which which one of the following group of compound is called accessory dietary factor? Fat, hormone, protein और vitamin. इनमें से कौन सा accessory dietary factor कहलाता है, कौन सा group? Yeah, so it is vitamin. Vitamins are accessory dietary factor. Okay. The idea that food contain trace amount of substance essential for their nutrition, accessory food factory later came to called vitamins. So पहले वो क्या कहलाते थे, accessory diet factory which is the vitamin, और बाद में उनका नाम क्या कर दिया गया, vitamins. ये आपका आ गया है assertion and reasoning. तो यहाँ पर कह रहा है given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and another one as a reason. Assertion: most of the vitamins are not synthesized in human body. Reason क्या है, ह्यूमन ऑर्गन सिंथेसाइज ओनली एसेंशियल माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट. तो उनमें से आपको क्या सही लगता है? बोथ ए एंड बी आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. बोथ ए एंड बी आर ट्रू बट आर इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. ए इज ट्रू, आर इज फॉल्स, ए इज फॉल्स, आर इज ट्रू. तो यहाँ पे असर्शन क्या कह रहा है, मोस्ट ऑफ द विटामिन आर नॉट सिंथेसाइज इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी, राइट, एंड द ह्यूमन बॉडी ऑर्गन सिंथेसाइज ओनली एसेंशियल माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट. तो आंसर क्या होगा, सी. ए इज राइट बट आर इज इनकरेक्ट. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि सम ऑफ द विटामिन आर बॉडी कैन फॉर्म बट सम विटामिन आर बॉडी कैन नॉट फॉर्म. सो यू नीड टू टेक फ्रॉम द फूड, ओके, और द सप्लीमेंट्स. सो यहाँ पे इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन है. So, most of the vitamin cannot be synthesized in the human body as they are considered as essential food factor. For the most part, vitamins are obtained from the diet, but some are acquired by other means. For example, microorganisms in the gut produce vitamin K, B2, and other form of vitamin D is synthesized in the skin when you exposed to the sunlight. Okay. Human can produce some vitamins from processes they consume. For example, vitamin A is synthesized from beta carotene and vitamin B is synthesized from the amino acid. Okay. Now, living organism require at least 27 element of which 15 are metals, and among these those required is in major quantity include potassium, magnesium, molybdenum, calcium, potassium, molybdenum, copper, calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, कॉपर या मैग्नीज. राइट, सो आपका क्या आंसर होगा, इट इज सी, पोटेशियम, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम एंड कैल्शियम. So ample amount of potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, sulfur and chlorine, etc. are required for living organism. They are known as macronutrient, where micronutrients are needed in small amount in the organism. Now, in which category of food is the most amount of calorie per unit? सबसे ज़्यादा कैलोरी किस में होती है, विटामिन, फैट, कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन? यस, टेल मी, ये तो सबको पता होगा, बहुत कैलोरी है, बहुत कैलोरी है. इट इज़ द फैट. फैट हैव हाईएस्ट कैलोरी calorie value per unit, which is 4 calorie. Energy is obtained by metabolic oxidation of 1 gram of carbohydrate. Okay, so you get 4 calorie of energy when you do the oxidation of 1 gram of carbohydrate. Protein gives you 9.3 calorie is received from the fat of the same amount. Apple have special value for heart patient because they are rich source of sodium, potassium, phosphorus or magnesium, and phosphorus only. So for the heart patient they should eat apple because it contain phosphorus. Phosphorus is very good for the health. So the phosphorus is the electrolyte, which is a mineral that has an electric charge. It play important role in maintaining healthy heart rhythm through muscle action. So apple tree absorb potassium in a great amount than any other nutrient. So apple are a rich source of potassium. Apple are also rich source of phytochemical that act as antioxidant. That is why everyone says that an apple a day keeps a doctor away because it is very good for your health. So start eating apple every day. Next is regular intake of fresh fruit and vegetable is recommended in the diet since they are a good source of antioxidant. How do antioxidant help a person maintaining health and promote a healthy life or longevity? So options are they they activate the enzyme necessary for vitamin synthesis in the body and help prevent vitamin deficiency. They prevent excessive oxidation of carbohydrate, fat, and protein in the body and help avoid unnecessary wastage of energy. They neutralize the free radical produced in the body during metabolism. They activate certain gene in the cell of a body and help delay the aging process. So, what do you think? कैसे they are a good source of antioxidant, and how do antioxidant help a person to maintain a healthy body? So क्या होगा इसका करेक्ट आंसर? Yes, because they neutralize the free radical produced in the body during the metabolism. Now neutralize means जो उनकी एसिडिक या फिर बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी होती है, दे न्यूट्रलाइज द इफेक्ट. सो उसको वो न्यूट्रल कर देते हैं सो दैट इट विल नॉट गोइंग टू इफेक्ट योर बॉडी. So the antioxidant is a molecule that inhibit the oxidation of other molecule. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving a loss of electron and increase in the oxidation state. Oxidation reaction can produce free radical. In turn, these radicals can start a chain reaction, and when the chain reaction occur in a cell, it can cause damage or death to the cell. So antioxidant terminate these chain reaction by removing the free radical, right, and inhibit other oxidation reaction. So they do this by being oxidized themselves or oxidate. Antioxidant are often reducing agents such as asthol, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, right? So that is how the antioxidant works. So what they do, they stop the chain reaction. Okay, so free radical chain reaction, they stop that, and that is how your body is healthy. So always do the detoxification of the body, anti-toxification, right? Take the apple because apple act as an antitoxified. Now, what is the role of antioxidant in human body? They promote vitamin synthesis, they prevent excess oxidation of carbohydrate, protein and fat, they protect cell against the effect of free radicals, they activate certain gene which delay the aging process. अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा कि what is the role of antioxidant? They protect the cell from the effect of free radical, right? वो chain reaction को stop करते हैं. Now, next question. Among the following vegetables, the maximum vitamin C is found in chili, pumpkin, pea और radish. बताइए सबसे ज़्यादा विटामिन सी किस में होगा? ये होगा आपका, it is in chili. Yes, green chili have a very high amount of, or you can say the maximum amount of vitamin C. Among the among the above vegetable, the maximum vitamin C is found in chili. विटामिन सी वो भी ग्रीन चिली में. विटामिन सी इज प्रेजेंट इन ईच 100 ग्राम ऑफ चिली pumpkin, और उसमें आप देख सकते हो कि हाउ इट इज डिक्रीजिंग. Now, the vitamin which is found in citrus fruit and is necessary for maintaining healthy skin is विटामिन ए, विटामिन बी, सी और डी। सिट्रस फ्रूट्स में कौन सा विटामिन होता है? दैट इज विटामिन सी। ऑल द सिट्रस फ्रूट, जितने भी सिट्रस फ्रूट्स होते हैं, जितने भी खट्टे फ्रूट होते हैं या वेजिटेबल आप कहोगे, वैसे वेजिटेबल होता नहीं है, जितने भी खट्टे फ्रूट्स होते हैं उनमें सिट्रस होता है। ओके, विटामिन सी, वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी। The main source of vitamin C is raw and fresh fruit, milk, घी और pulses। तो सबसे ज़्यादा और गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी क्या होगा? रॉ एंड फ्रेश फ्रूट्स, मिल्क या घी? ऑफ कोर्स फ्रूट, राइट। रॉ मीन्स आप अगर आपने जिसमें विटामिन सी है और आपने उसको पका दिया तो उसका विटामिन सी सारा उड़ जाता है, आई मीन वो डिज़ोल्व हो जाता है, फिर वो इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं रहता। जैसे हम आंवले की आप चटनी बनाए और उसको फ्राई कर दें, सो दैट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़, उसमें फिर विटामिन की क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है। सो विटामिन ए इज़ द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ मिल्क, major constituent of milk, ghee, and it's enriched by fat and pulses are the source of protein. Raw and citrus fruits are a major source of vitamin C. रॉ इसमें स्पेशली बोला गया है। द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी इज एप्पल, मैंगो, गूसबेरी और मिल्क। अब सब कहेंगे खट्टा, ओके मैंगो तो खट्टा होता है, बट यहाँ पे गूसबेरी बहुत खट्टा होता है। सो इंडियन गूसबेरी और आंवला इज अ गुड सोर्स और रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी, ascorbic acid. Orange, tomato, lemon, papaya, pea, they also contain good source of vitamin C. It is an important antioxidant which help to protect against cancer, heart disease, stress, maintaining healthy immune system and healing your wounds. It is essential for sperm production and the formation of collagen. So the collagen protein involved in the building and health of cartilage, joints, skin, blood vessels, etc. Okay, next question. Which of the following is the rich source of vitamin C? Vitamin C, orange, apple, carrot, आंवला। अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा आंवला is a rich source of vitamin C. Now, which of the following is the highest content of vitamin C? Carrot, guava, mango, orange. सबसे खट्टा क्या होगा? Orange. So, rich source of vitamin C. Now, the chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid, thiamine, citric acid और tartric acid. Vitamin C का chemical name क्या होता है? It is the ascorbic acid. The richest source of vitamin C is potato, sugarcane, orange या फिर sugar beet. So rich source क्या होगा? Orange. Okay, which of the following vitamin is helpful for healing a wound? Vitamin C. अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा। विटामिन सी हेल्प इन एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट? विटामिन सी अगर आप लेते हो वो किस एलिमेंट को एब्जॉर्ब करने में हेल्प करता है? आयरन, कैल्शियम, आयोडीन और सोडियम। यस, विटामिन सी हेल्प in the absorption of iron. Vitamin C helpful in iron absorption, where vitamin D helpful in the absorption of magnesium and calcium. Next question. Which of the following vitamin does not stored in the body? Right, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D और vitamin E. कौन सा विटामिन बॉडी में स्टोर नहीं होता है? इट इज़ विटामिन सी। क्यों? आपने during this COVID period, we used to take vitamin C tablet every day. Every day you have to take the vitamin C tablet, so it will boost your immune system. क्योंकि विटामिन C जो आप एक दिन में लेते हो वो एक दिन में ही यूज्ड अप हो जाता है, वो कल के लिए आपकी बॉडी में स्टोर नहीं होता, राइट। सो द बॉडी कैन नॉट स्टोर विटामिन सी, vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamin, which means they bound with fat molecule and can be stored in the body organ and tissue. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is actually water soluble and bond instead of water, which is flushed out of the body by urine. Okay, so that is why vitamin C is not stored in the body. Next is which of the following vitamin Deficiency cause disease of slow blood clotting. विटामिन सी, विटामिन डी, विटामिन के और विटामिन ई। स्लो ब्लड क्लॉटिंग किस विटामिन की डेफिशिएंसी से होती है? अभी अभी हम जानते हैं that is vitamin K. Vitamin K is very important for the clotting of the blood. Vitamin K is responsible factor for blood clotting or coagulation. Without vitamin K, blood coagulation is seriously impaired and uncontrolled bleeding occur. Vitamin K is known as anti-hemorrhage factor. Okay, vitamin K is important for clotting of the blood or healing of the wound is with the help of vitamin C. Confused नहीं होना है. Which of the following vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Vitamin K. Which of the following vitamin is effective in blood clotting? Vitamin K. Same question, repeat. Which of the following vitamin is used in as an antidote to anticoagulate poison? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, or vitamin K? It is vitamin K. Okay. Vitamin K used as an antidote or anticoagulation poison. This vitamin is called anti-hemorrhagic factor. Operations of person with deficiency of vitamin K cannot be dealt easily because there is a fear of excess bleeding. Okay. Which of the following is synthesized by intestine? बैक्टीरिया. हमारे जो इंटेस्टाइन में बैक्टीरिया होते हैं वो कौन सा विटामिन सिंथेसाइज करते हैं? विटामिन B12, विटामिन सी, विटामिन के और विटामिन ए. सो दे हेल्प इन द सिंथेसाइजिंग ऑफ विटामिन A and C. Oh, sorry, vitamin B and K. So vitamin B12 and vitamin K both are synthesized by the bacteria in human. Okay, so आज हम यहीं पे stop करते हैं and we'll continue this in the next class. Okay, so please do revise. Bye, and please do share, subscribe, and like my channel if you like the video. Okay, bye.